Hello viewers, welcome to Mantan TV. Today we have CA Hanmandloo garu with us. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
In an article, the president of Rockefeller Foundation told that India doesn't need any subsidy, but it will gain from its expertise, energy access.
Yes.
So what is all about it, sir?
This is with regard, his comment was with regarding energy access.
Yes.
Energy access. Yes. There should be sufficient energy available to all the citizens of India because energy is a source for carrying out many activities.
Yes.
Without energy we cannot live.
Yeah.
So whatever the energy is required, generally the government is expecting that to encourage energy projects, maybe green energy or small projects, solar projects, all these things. Subsidy can help them. Subsidy can motivate the entrepreneurs. But what he said is, no, subsidy is helpful, agree, but it should be, every project should be commercially viable. Subsidy only support, it should be support, but not for what we call to take commercial decisions. First it should be commercially viable, and subsidy is only benefit, additional benefit or bonus additional benefit, but it is not the primary benefit.
Okay.
Based on subsidy they cannot undertake the projects. That is the idea what he said. For this purpose, in this regard, what he said is, India doesn't need much specific philanthropic subsidy for energy sector, but it needs to attract private investment and also ecosystem, means encouragement to entrepreneurs for energy sector. So that is what he expected. For this purpose, the Global Energy Appliance for People and Planet organization is working on multiple projects across energy sector to boost efficiency. First thing is to establishment, efficiency, and improve the capacity and innovation also. So all these require huge investment in energy sector. Yes. Every time there is scope for operation, every day is scope for innovation, every day is scope for efficiency building capacity also. For this needs a lot of investment, a lot of innovation. So for this, what he said is, the project should be commercially viable, and then only the investors will come forward to invest. Means the price regulation should be in such a way. In all these energy projects, there will be price regulation will be by the government. The price, what he said is, price regulation should be in such a way that it will encourage the investors and companies to undertake new projects and to commercially viable, and encourage investors to invest. That is most important. Means it should be the less cost and more revenue oriented, and also what we will call it should be every time there is scope for improvement its efficiency. So that is what he said. And one more thing, GIP is focused on intellectual capital rather than financial capital, because this energy sector upgradation always needs the talent, creativity, innovation, new usages, adding value, adding capacity, with existing capacity, adding strength and value, and that requires a lot of intellectual investment. So this is according to global organization, more concentration, concentration required for improving the intellectual capital and to achieve energy access and efficiency goals. And it is not about money, but it is about the efficiency, ecosystem, and as well as encouragement given. And also generally all these projects require, sometimes there may be failure also. Out of I told you, in energy project there may be some failure also. We have seen some companies they faced failure for 4 to 5 to 6 years, and the 7th year they started again reviving. Yes. One example, Suzlon. Once upon a time it was one of the great company. Now it is after 7 years of gap. Now it is the only company. It is having no loans, no loans, and orders for next 2 years. Okay. So that is such companies also possible in the energy sector. So that is that type of continuity, and means what you say, consistent effort should be carried on by the companies. So that is the most important. For this purpose, what we require is leakages should be plugged first, and next one is a better utilization. Transmission losses, all these should be reduced, and digitalization of every electric supply. That's the most distribution is important.
Yes.
Means from whatever is generated and whatever the building energy build, there should be the gap between the energy generated and energy build should be very less. Now what is happening is in this traditional electricity systems and supply systems, there is a huge transmission loss.
Yes.
Because of what we'll call because of insufficient or inefficient, under efficient means conductors or transformers or substations. The same way, in any sector it is happening like that. And for this purpose, what GAP is proposing is, first you digitalize the entire electricity distribution, and now that is happening in Rajasthan.
Okay.
And that and digitalize every asset of the company also, every asset of the organization. That is maybe transformer, maybe substation, maybe poles, maybe lines. All these should be digitalized, and it should be every asset should be mapped and also identified, and to plug the leakages. The transmission losses should be reduced, and this is one aspect. And another one is replacing the means of fossil fuel based energy to green energy, renewable energy, solar energy, windmill energy. All this will help to reduce the the dependence on fossil fuel, and also protect the environment, and also in longer period it will reduce the cost also. And that's the best. One more thing caution required is peak power deficit meeting the peak power deficit demand. Sometimes in winter, in summer, in the peak hours there may be a lot of demand for the energy.
Yes.
Because of heavy usage of air conditioners or say air coolers or anything, it may require a lot of energy, and that peak demand should be met with the energy, available energy, and also if it is required should go through with green energy, renewable energy. And for this purpose, and especially for the small capacity power requirements, the central government is proposing to have the solar based plants, a rooftop solar based, or we can say for suppose in a factory 40% is used for security or office or all these things, that can be used for solar.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.